Hello YouTube, Chashtech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a red X on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet on Windows computer. So when you try to connect your, in my case it's pretty clear and it's working, but you'll find a red across the lines on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi option on your computer. So if you are facing this problem, on this video we are going to see 5 solutions from basic to advanced, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution would be the basic solution. So if you are trying to connect to the internet and if you are getting this problem, make sure you connected the cable properly. If you are using the Ethernet cable, you should have to plug into the router properly, and as well as the router is providing the internet access, and also you should have to connect the cable with your laptop or desktop properly. So make sure the cabling is working correctly. And one thing you should not have to forget, also make sure your Wi-Fi is also connected. So check all the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi connection is working correctly. So after you checked all these things, then the second solution will be check the settings if the Wi-Fi or Ethernet is not disabled on your computer. So in order to check that, you just go on the bottom of your taskbar and right click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then click here open network and internet setting. Then after that you'll find here status, which is go on the bottom and you'll find here change adapter options, this one. So select that, and in my case I'm using Wi-Fi. In your case, if you are using internet, do the same, follow the steps that what I'm doing right now. So just right click on it and make sure it's under the disable. If it's showing disabled, it's enabled. If it is showing it's enabled, it's disabled. Let's see an example. If I click disable here, as you can see here, it's showing me a blocked one, so it's disabled. So make sure it shows you this enable and it will start working. So make sure you checked for the Ethernet, do the same, which is to click on the disabled one and make sure it's enabled and working mode. So after you did this, if the problem still occurs, then the third solution will be troubleshooting. Again, do the same thing, go on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, right click on it and select troubleshoot problems. So click on that, so it will start detecting a problem. So it will ask you to make a choice if it is Ethernet or Wi-Fi or all network adapters. So make a choice, then click next and follow the steps and answer all the questions that the troubleshooter will ask you, and it will definitely will help you to fix your problem related with the red X on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So here in my case, troubleshooting cannot identify the problem because my Ethernet and as well as my Wi-Fi is working correctly. That's why. So in your case, it will help you to fix your problem. So after you did the troubleshoot, if the problem still occurs, then the fourth solution for this video will be updating your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter or driver. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, click the search icon and type device manager. So after you type the device manager, here the device manager, so open it. So after the device manager opened, just go here and find the networking adapter. So click here the arrow and you will find different adapters. Make sure you select the correct one. In my case here, my wireless adapter and Ethernet adapter on the same place. So select the driver that's not working on. If it is wireless, just right click on it and select update driver, then click here search automatically for driver, and here the best driver for the device are already installed. So in your case it will update and it will finish, then after that close and do the same for the Ethernet one. Right click on it, update driver, and select here search automatically. So it will search and install the updated driver. Then after that close this and close your device manager, then restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the Ethernet or the Wi-Fi problem is solved or not. If the problem still continues, the final solution for this video will be uninstalling and reinstalling the Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. So in order to do that, again we go here and click the search icon and type here device manager. Here the device manager, then open it, and again do the same, which is fine for the network adapter, and just find the wireless or Ethernet, which is the driver, that specific driver which have the problem. So click on it, right click on it, and select uninstall device. Here it is. Let me make more zoom. Here, uninstall device. So select that and make sure if this thing is checked, make sure you uncheck this one, which is delete the driver software for this device. So make sure you uncheck this one and select uninstall. So it will remove the driver. Then after you click uninstall, then restart your computer. In my case, it's working perfectly. That's why I'm not clicking the uninstall. Uninstall it. Then after that, go here and restart your computer. These are the solution on how you can fix the RedX on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet on your Windows computer. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Check out.